If you're looking to buy the AWAI Copywriting course, stick around in today's video. I'll be reviewing the programs that the Institute offers, the pros and cons of them, what students have to say, and also how much they cost. I have personal experience with their programs, and so do some of my friends and students. I'll be using our experience as a collective to review these programs. Now, I'm a six-figure copywriter myself. I have online courses you can check out that help people become better writers and earn more money online. And I know firsthand as both a student and an instructor that online programs are one of the best ways to learn, network, and find more work in the future. But to begin, what is AWAI? They're essentially an institute that's been around since 1997 that helps people become better writers, creatives, and marketers. They have over a dozen different programs and books and different products that will help you improve all these different sectors. And they also have some of the best writers and instructors in the world to teach you, including Dan Kennedy and Brian Clark. Now, in terms of who these courses are actually good for, number one would be people that are brand new to copywriting. They're going to be some of the best programs you can learn from to break into this industry. Secondly would be people that are existing freelancers. Maybe you already have some work and clients going, you know how to write copy, but you want to increase your earning capacity and get better to offer more value to your clientele. Thirdly would be people that are in corporate. Maybe you have an advertising job, copywriting, marketing. Maybe you're a manager or director. No matter if you're involved in writing the copy directly or overseeing it, these courses can help you better improve your skills and also know what good copy looks like. And now with that being said, let's actually jump into what programs they offer. Now let's actually go through their website and look at all their products and trainings together. Right on the products page, we can see that they actually have some sales going on for the Let's Write training program. This will give you everything you need about taking the first step to becoming a paid writer. And they have another training about being paid as a freelance writer. This one appears to be $97. There's no pricing right here, but if we went to the landing page, we'd be able to see that. And we'll talk about pricing in a moment. There's also a free webinar, and they do give away a lot of good content to help you become a better writer and marketer. Now we can actually jump to different categories. As you can see, there's bestsellers, copywriting, niche copywriting, B2B, web writing, publishing, home business, business building, graphics design, ebooks, and special reports. We'll quickly go through some of what they sell, and then we'll jump into the 6- and 7-figure copywriting accelerator program, because it's actually the most common one that people purchase. But just going through here, we can see the AWAI method to become a skilled in-demand copywriter, the accelerated program, which we'll be talking about in a moment, the writer's starter kit, setting yourself up to be a professional writer in a weekend, essential templates if you want to speed up the process, and you get 16 easy to customize versions of the most used business forms for writers, the Get Writing Clients Now system, no stress method for getting clients, building your freelance website, literally anything about getting clients, writing copy, and different formats of copy you can learn through AWAI. But let's go to that main course we're talking about today, which is the accelerated program. So here's the short form sales page itself, and if we want to get more information, we can click this link at the bottom, and immediately we can see it's $497, but let's actually talk about the features of this course first. So I'm here on the long form sales page, and we can go through all of the letter itself and critique it, but that's not really the topic of today's video. Let's actually get into what you're getting with this program, and if we scroll down, we'll be able to see exactly that. Keep in mind this program has been around for 26 years and they always update it and make it more modern. So you're getting something that's actually been around for literally decades, and it's that proven and tested, so you know it works and you can have a lot of confidence in your purchase. So here are some of the things that you'll actually learn. The importance of research and ideas, which is very true. Research often is very underlooked in the copywriting process. If you can learn about that, it'll speed up your writing and also make you a lot more confident, and you won't get writer's block as much, and ultimately you'll just produce better copy. What you'll need to get started in the copywriting business, what the industry expects from you, and how to get paid and more. So if you're looking to make freelance money and build a business, you'll be learning about that. The psychology of persuasion. Copywriting really is all about consumer behavior and persuasion, so that's really good. Sales funnels, which is really important for understanding and marketing and advertising. The 4 Ps formula for writing sales letters. A 7-point checklist to help you find big ideas. The 5 necessary elements of the power of one and how it's driving the force behind great copy. And many other things here in terms of what you're learning. Now, there's also tons of examples of every sales letter component. Now, that's really important because when you're learning in a course, you don't necessarily want to just be thrown in the lion's den and not know what you're doing. You want to learn, but also see examples, and then you can pull from those and reverse engineer them. So I like that a lot. There's also more than a dozen new training videos from some of the world's best copywriters, including Dan Kennedy and more. That's awesome because you're literally learning from the best, and it can save you years or decades of time. You'll also find your place when you log back in, which is nice. More writing practice and skill building exercises. There's also 5 new product options to write about and 5 popular niches, which gives you much more portfolio opportunities. And now here's some bonuses. So you get the Hall of Fame collection of top performing sales letters. One of the best things you can do to become a better writer is study and reverse engineer sales letters and similar assets. And they're literally giving you ones that are proven to perform well, and then you can learn from those yourself. So that's awesome. There's also the winning direct response copywriting samples. So not necessarily just sales letters, but you can learn from other winning material, which is great. There's the AWAI interviews with masters. So it's a video collection of different people, including Clayton Makepeace. He was one of the highest earning copywriters to ever exist, Patrick Bove, and many other here. And they go over different topics from business building, freelancing, making money, copywriting, and more. The 21-day system for getting clients. Once again, if you're interested in making money copywriting and freelancing, you'll also get this bonus and you'll find it's very helpful. There's lifetime access to their private job board. There's over 2,000 writing jobs on there every single day. So that's really important because if you're looking to break into this, whether as a freelancer or corporate, this gives you access to a job board where there's going to be less competition than public job boards. And then most importantly, the price. Now it does come in at $497, but keep in mind that when you're investing in yourself, something like this might seem like a lot, but it's actually increasing the value you offer to the job place, the marketplace. It increases your earning capacity and your success in the future. So you might spend $497, but what if that can make you thousands of dollars per month? The return on investment is awesome. So always think about it as an investment in yourself and your earning capacity. Don't get too scared away when you see a price like this, because also they have a money back guarantee. And I believe it is 30 days if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 30-day money back guarantee. So if you find that maybe you can spend that money elsewhere, or you need it, or you didn't get the value from their program, you can always get it back. You literally can't lose. But now let's actually get an idea of what students have to say in terms of the good and the bad side about this company and their programs, because we need an honest review and look into what students are actually saying. And now here on their Google listing, we can see that they have 180 reviews and a 4.8 star rating, which is already a really, really good sign. And we'll look at some of the top reviews right here. This is a 5-star review actually from a week ago at the time of this video. All the products I purchased have been really well worth every penny. Recently, due to a possible hacking incident on my end, my payment method was on hold. Forgetting that I had used it on AWAI, it unfortunately declined. They were the absolute best in listening to my needs and working everything out so no services were interrupted or lost. Now that's really important because one, they're saying that the products actually provide them value. Even though they can be quite expensive, it was worth every dollar, and then they have good customer service. That last point's really key because when you're spending a lot of money on something, obviously you want them to be responsive and helpful, so I'm really happy to hear that. And that was my own experience with the program and what I've heard from students as well. They're really responsive. There's a lot of instructors and people to help you out. So AWAI is awesome. I rarely say that about a company. Member services group always exceeds my expectations when I call. I've been a member since 2017 and have never had a bad experience. They could teach customer service professionals a few things. They go above and beyond to work with you when needed, and the courses are taught by real writers who are in the trenches. Everyone wants you to succeed and will do all they can to help you achieve your writer's life. So another awesome review. Good to hear that. And there's tons of positive. Let's also look into the lower star reviews, the negative reviews, and see what people have to say. So this one from a year ago said they sold me 49 membership. I'm not sure if that means $49 membership. Without giving any value, this is just pre-sales emails to take next paid class, and then you learn this or that stuff. I did not like their philosophy. A sample shows a lot about them. Now let's see how they responded. It's always good when the company responds because it shows they actually care about their reputation and they're trying to help. So they said that we're trying to help you every step of the way as you move towards your financial and writing goals. While we are a training company, know that you do not need to purchase any further programs. We also have many free resources on the site to browse at any time. I emailed you a time to schedule a call with me to walk you through our memberships and all the benefits you have at your fingertips as a member. Okay, it is a negative review, but perhaps maybe they just didn't navigate the website correctly. Maybe the user experience wasn't that good and this couldn't navigate the website in the back end. That's probably what happened here, but I think they're also complaining that there might be a lot of upsells or little things you purchase to kind of get pushed more into the funnel. That's what I'm kind of taking from that. They appear to be money grabbers, not really caring about your success. When I decided it was not for me, they did not refund my money. I now have to fight them for it. Buyer beware. Let's see exactly what the company said. So I'll call you today so we can discuss. Sorry to hear about that. It looks like we did process a refund for both of the programs the day after you purchased them. Please note that it does take 3 to 5 business days to reflect on your credit card. And if you're still looking to build a writing career, you're welcome to start with the free content on our website. I think that's a pretty fair response. And a lot of the times with negative reviews, there's just a misunderstanding about something. Someone didn't understand maybe the product or the kind of smaller information, the fine print, so to speak. But for the most part, I think these are pretty typical lower star reviews, people just not really getting the value from it, maybe having some problems and mishaps, but I don't really see anything too much to worry about. Now going to the Better Business Bureau, we can see that they have a 2.5 star rating out of 5. And it looks like this review down here from early on in 2023, they said they get you by offering a membership for $1, but then you can't cancel on your own. They offer a lot of overpriced materials that already exist on the internet for free. You can't get a hold of anybody over the phone. The chat option is never available. It takes an entire week to hear back via email. Why can't I cancel my membership on my own? And what kind of company would do this? So it sounds like maybe canceling the memberships can be maybe more difficult sometimes. We were seeing reviews where people said the customer service was great. Like any experience, sometimes there can just be an off situation where, yeah, maybe it takes a while to hear from somebody, but that is something we need to consider. Overall, they have a really positive reputation though. When you look at Reddit, Google here, Better Business Bureau, obviously like any company, you will have some people that leave negative reviews. It's just the nature of having a bigger company and servicing many, many people. But if we look at the average, they have a lot of positive responses and testimonials and experience from their students. But that sums up AWAI's copywriting courses and what they have to offer. I think it's one of the best resources out there, whether you want to take their programs, you want to read their books, or just use their free material to kind of start off your copywriting journey. It's an awesome way to learn how to write copy effectively, network, get access to a good job board, and also increase how much money you can earn. Now, if you want to learn more about copywriting, I have courses you can check out in the description that also include mentorship and coaching for myself. I also have my blog and other resources you can check out. And if you're interested in the programs that I actually reviewed in today's video, you'll also find a link for that in the description. I wish you the best in your copywriting journey. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or anything you'd like to learn about, and I'll see you in the next video.